Om Ganeshaya Namo. Om Sai Baba Namo. Good afternoon, my dear friends. JK Astro friends, how are you? This is your JK from JK Astro. Last time I posted a video on timing of events. I hope you would have enjoyed it. Now today I am going to post a video on who will get corona, when you will get. Because now this is the hot topic and everybody wants to know whether he will get the corona or not. If at all, if he gets, when he will get, the timing. Already I told you about the timing. What are the things to see for the timing? First of all, we have to see, I told you in the last video, who are not seen, please see that, timing of events. There I mentioned, each year the Lagna is getting shifted from your birth Lagna. 12th year 12th house, 24th year 12th house, 36th year 12th house, it is going on like that. So at a particular year, that means completed year, we have to finish it at 12th, and running year, we have to see that as that Rashi will play important role for that year. Good and bad you will get from that Rashi alone. Along with that, we have to see Dasha Bhakti. Whether what kind of Dasha Bhakti it's going on now. Then you have to correlate with the Rashi. And Rashi Lord. And then you have to see when you will get it. Transit planets. These three things are very, very important for the timing of events. Now, we will go to the subject. See, for corona, it's a disease. So, important houses, all we know, 6, 8, 12. 6th house is a Rogasthana, 8th house is the chronic or diagnosis, 12th house is the hospitalization and expenses. Hospitalization means immediately expenses will come, no? So, these are the important houses for other disease. Okay. Then we have to see the Lagna Lord also. Why we have to see the Lagna Lord? Lagna Lord is very, very important to see whether Lagna Lord is strong enough to resist that disease or he will succumb to the disease. That is very, very important. For immunity, 159 and getting the timely medical treatment. Several times we will say, oh Baba, if somebody treated him in time, he would have survived. In Corona also, people are saying time is very, very important factor. If that 4 days, 5 days, immediately if it is not subsided, immediately go to medical attention, medical doctor. Don't take see, first day itself, don't take medicines yourself. Immediately you go for a medical advice. If the doctor says, no, your symptoms are severe, go to hospital, admit yourself. Go and do it immediately. They will take care of it. Because we do not know what is going on inside. Here, astrologically, I am helping you to identify and other things. But medical advice is a must. Don't say this, I got a fever, but as per this, I am not, as per this analysis, I don't have corona. Don't come to the conclusion yourself. Go to a doctor, good hospital, then they let them say. So you compare this astrological tool is the supportive tool, not the main tool. I am telling you, if you suspect something, immediately whatever your chart says, sometimes your chart may not be a correct chart. Lagna may not be correct, or your chart itself may not be correct. So, or your calculation of chart is not correct. So, be careful. It is an additional tool for you. It is a supportive tool for you, not the main tool. Okay, let us go to a thing. It's a caution, I am telling you. Then, now, corona means where it is getting affected. First, people say that corona virus goes to your nose and it stays there for some time, multiply, then it will come to the windpipe. Then you will start coughing, then you will get the fever and everything. So the throat area is indicated by third house. In Kalapurusha's third house, Gemini, that is the Aries sign. How our ancestors are very, very intelligent. See, windpipe, shoulder, this throat area, all ENT, they are connected to third house. So the very important house is third house. Now, next stage of corona is the lungs. After throat, after some time, it will enter into your lungs. Then your breathing problem, for want of oxygen, gasping, all these things start in the lungs area when the coronavirus comes here. So, fourth house is your lungs and chest. Okay, now houses we have seen. We will see the Karakas. See, Mercury is the Karaka for nose because he is the Kalapurusha's third house lord. Nose, neck, throat. And he is also Kalapurusha's sixth house. So, when Mercury is involved in anything, then nose, neck and throat area will get affected. Then Karaka for the lungs, cough, cold, moon. Because moon is the Kalapurusha's fourth house lord, is a watery sign. So cough, cold and lungs. This is a moon. We have to watch moon also. Third house, fourth house, then Mercury, moon, we have to watch. These are the people we have to see. These are the areas we have to see in our thing. I am just giving you one by one, then we will connect it in a chart. Okay. Now you keep it in your mind, because if you all these things in your grip only, you can read the horoscope correctly. Now, this is all very important people. Without their thing, nothing will happen. Rahu controls breathing. Here, breathing problem comes. That means Rahu controls breathing. Rahu comes and because Rahu is a Kalapurusha's mouth. If it stops your breathing, then you will become lifeless. You will leave this body. That is why Rahu controls breathing. Ketu Maharaj is you will give the disease from unknown sources, virus. See so many diseases in this world, we do not know where is the source, how it is coming, how it is manifesting. See, this one of the thing is now the corona. All over the world it has gone. First wave, second wave, third wave also we are expecting. But we do not know the source. If they know the source, immediately they will tell, don't do all these things so that you won't get the corona. But nobody knows the source. Now what they are doing is, after it is coming, immediately they go for a treatment. What kind of treatment? That is also a lot of confusion, because black fungus, white fungus, all these things are there. These are Rahu, Ketu's play. Now, see, one more thing, very, very important thing I will tell you. It's a very secret, and only my friend, one Mr. Balu from Velacheri, he told me this combination works very well. See, actually what happens, if any chart has got the combination of Sun, Mars, Rahu together, or some connection through nakshatra or aspect and something, some connection should be there. That means Sun, Mars, Rahu. Because Sun, suffocation and fever, Mars, lung infection, problems in blood vessels, Rahu controls breathing. These three people are together in your horoscope. That means you are susceptible to contagious infection. These three people will give the contagious infection. When the Dashabhukti and Sun, Rahu, Mars together or any of these three people goes on the Sun, Mars, Rahu, natal Sun, Mars, Rahu, in transit, you will get it. See, not only corona, you may get it some allergic infection, contagious. Somebody would have sneezed and you will get a sneezing. So you will see some people are always sneezing, some asthmatic trouble, and all these things will be there. If they go to dust, immediately they will sneeze. If they go out to the hospital, they will get some contagious infection. So this Sun, Mars, Rahu combination is there. Immediately you can see this man is susceptible to, is vulnerable to for contagious infection. You have to be very careful with that kind of chart. When the transit goes on, Sun, Rahu, Mars combination or any of the two will goes on this thing, then that infection will be there. If the three people are going and combining these three people, then it is a severe contagious infection. If it is not there, it is a slight infection, just like cold, a fever, and it will go away. Now, we will see. We will see a chart. See, this gentleman got the COVID and mild COVID, home isolation. Of course, he went to the hospital for consultation and he went to the hospital for testing and X-ray and other things, for getting the medicine and other thing. But with the home isolation, without any severe thing, he got himself cured. Why? That also we'll see. Why this man is mild. The another chart we are going to see why he is in ICU. That also we are going to see. Some people died also. That chart I don't want to put it because it will scare you. That's why the dead chart I don't want to put it. See, that chart also I got lot of COVID chart. I analyzed, then afterwards only I come to the conclusion that this combination works very well, and we have to educate our, or whatever the knowledge I am having. So I want to share with my JK Astro friends. So, my dear friends, let us see one by one. See, always go methodically in any horoscope analysis, not only corona, for any marriage, this, everything, go methodically, you will get it. So, methodically, if 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, if you go, immediately the horoscope will start to talk with you. Okay, now, we will start from the Lagna. Always, you mind it, always for anything, Lagna is very, very important. And Lagna Lord, because from that only, all these 12 houses, 11 houses are revolving around the Lagna only. See, Lagna and Lagna Lord, we have to see. See, Lagna and Lagna Lord, we have to see who is Lagna Lord. Lagna is Meena Lagna, that is Pisces. Lagna Lord is Jupiter. See, where he is Jupiter, he is in a 6th house. Now, we will see what is this Varsha. Every year shifting of Lagna is there. Where that point has come, see, it has also come to the 6th house. That means in 42nd, because Jupiter in 6th house from your birth, it would have given small diseases. Here, in 42nd year, it shows something more serious. 6th house. 6th house may be diseases. 6th house may be a debt. 6th house may be a court case. Anything. That combination different. We are now talking about the COVID disease only. That's why we will stick on to that only. 6th house, we are taking that part of it. Diseases part of it, we will take it. So, here two things giving a bell, alarm bell. First thing is Lagna Lord is in 6th house. Now, 42nd year also falls in Leo. See, Leo is a stomach area also. That is why during Corona, he got the stomach ache, stomach pain, stomach upset, everything. So 42nd here he got the corona. Okay, one. Second thing is this Lagna Lord associated with whom? Associated with the Rahu. Who is Rahu? Is the controller of breathing. Okay. Another thing is Saturn. Who is Saturn here? Saturn is the 12th house Lord. So he has to visit the hospital also. He is the 11th house Lord also. So 11th house will give a certain thing, benefit also to you. Okay. So now we have seen Jupiter. Who is the 6th Lord? Is the Sun is the 6th Lord. Okay. Sun we have to watch him. And then afterwards we will go third house. Because Lagna we have seen. Next step is third house. Who is the what is the third house? Taurus. So okay. Taurus means immediately we have to see anybody is sitting in the Taurus? Nobody is sitting. See I forgot one thing. All this red color is the natal planets. All this blue color is the transit planets. Please mind it. Red, natal, blue is actually transit planet. Okay, third house actually Taurus. The Lord is Venus. He is in the 8th house. 8th house means chronic. So something connected to nose is going to get it here. See, is in Libra. It is a Aries sign. Okay. Then we will go to 4th house. 4th house is the Lord is Mercury. That is 4th house nobody has occupied. The 4th house Lord, Mercury is also in 8th house. So 3rd Lord, Venus is also 8th Lord. So 3rd Lord and 8th Lord is in 8th house itself. And then 4th Lord Mercury and also is a 7th Lord Bhadagadipati. He is in 8th house. That means something chronic is going to come. Is a Aries sign. So connected to third house, Lord Mercury, the 4th Lord Mercury, Venus 3rd Lord, everything we are connected to. Now it has come to 8th house. And here 12th Lord Saturn is also aspecting. 12th Lord Saturn is also aspecting. And Ketu is also aspecting. So more dangerous in the 8th house, Mercury and Venus, the 3rd Lord, 4th Lord, they are in a very precarious position. Now, already we have seen, but one positive, all negative points? No, one positive point is also that Mars actually is a 9th Lord sitting in 5th house with the Karaka moon. Moon, I told you, Karaka is the lungs Karaka moon. But both are in Mercury Nakshatra. That Mercury is in 8th house. So, but what is the positive point I told you? Mars, 9th Lord in sitting in 5th house is aspecting this Mercury and Venus. That is the positive point. That means, say 9th and 5th are connected to 8th house here. That means, even though they get the disease, chronic, it will go to chronic also. But these people prevent from going to chronic and they will give the timely medical treatment and attention and get away from the severity of the COVID. Okay. And I already told you, moon is the chest area, lungs and other things. Is in actually 5th house. That is also good. The moon sitting, Karaka sitting in a 5th house also along with the 9th Lord. Actually, the lungs area is not severely affected. So, lungs area is affected means you will go for oxygen, you will go for a ICU, hospital and everything. But they are in Mercury Nakshatra, so the slight problem is there. Now, we come to transit. Transit, first you will see, I already told you on dictum. If the Sun or Mars or Rahu, this transit Sun, transit Rahu, transit Mars, or on natal Sun, or on natal Rahu, or on natal Mars, then problem. All these three transit or three transit planets on three natal planets, then very severe case. If it is two, less severe. So they are connected or not, we'll see. The Sun, transit Sun, sitting in Meena, is aspecting the Sun in 6th Lord Sun. He is also 6th Lord. See the beauty. He is also in Mars Nakshatra. So Mars effect is also coming there. Okay. Then Rahu is also aspecting, transit Rahu is also aspecting the Sun. Okay. Then transit Mars is aspecting the Rahu. Okay. Then that combination works here, but it is not work very severely, strongly. That is why he got mild COVID. Then what all the other transits are working? Jupiter, Saturn and Moon in 6th Lord. That day, Moon in 6th Lord Nakshatra. So, transit Jupiter, transit Saturn, transit Moon, they are aspecting the Moon and Mars. And then Saturn, transit Saturn is aspecting the Lagna. Then transit Jupiter is aspecting the Sun. Then transit Saturn is aspecting the Mercury and Venus, 3rd Lord and 4th Lord and in 8th house. So this is all the transit effect. Now we will come to the, okay Baba, all these things are okay. Whether you will get it or not, we have to see now Dasha Bhukti. Dasha Bhukti are good, you may not get it also with all this combination. But Dasha Bhukti also indicate, definitely you will get it. In Dasha Bhukti also some good planets, some benefic planets are coming, then you will come, you will escape. That is the thing. See here, Rahu, Jupiter, Mars. See, Rahu we already seen is the breath controller and is in a 6th house. Jupiter, Lagna Lord is in 6th house. And again Jupiter, so strongly, then Mars. Mars is the actually 9th Lord and 5th house. Because of Mercury Nakshatra, he is also involved here. But because 9th Lord in 5th house, this gentleman didn't get much effect on that. Again, here also in this, what is this? Dasha Bhukti Lords also, the transit things are working out. That you can see very nicely. Now, we'll see here. The next horoscope is a COVID male patient in ICU from 5/5/2021. But he got the COVID on 5/4/2021. But I have worked at transit planets on 5/5/2021 to seeing the severity. Why he is in ICU. So all these transit planets which are in blue color are on 5/5/2021. Mind it. Because 5/4/2021 already I given in the first chart. If you want, you can refer with that also. Second chart. We will see the Lagna. Lagna is a Cancer. And 37 years old. That is 37 years running. The 37th year is falling on Lagna itself. So there is some problem. Why is some problem? If it is a 6th house, 12th house or 8th house, I can understand. Why Lagna? Now we have to see the Lagna Lord. This Lagna Lord, moon, is in 8th house. And he is in a 6th Lord Nakshatra. Jupiter Nakshatra, Purvabhadra Bahada, Jupiter Nakshatra. Here see, 6th Lord is Shravana Nakshatra. That means Lagna Lord Nakshatra. See how nicely, see. Everything is falling on that. And the 6th Lord is aspecting the Lagna. And 8th Lord, Saturn is aspecting the 6th Lord. So 6th Lord, 8th Lord connection is here. Then we will see the 3rd house. See, Lagna we have seen, Lagna is afflicted. So that is why this person got a severe affliction. Now we will go further also. Severe affliction because of that only. Because Lagna is there, Lagna, even though it's in 6th house, Rahu, Saturn and everything, somewhat better. It's only 6th house. See, 6th house will give the disease. 8th house will give the chronic disease, this ICU kind of thing. 12th house connection, again hospitalization, expenses and other things. See, continuation, that 8th house will give the chronic means it will give more than that. See here, 5/4/2005, 5/5/2021, ICU has gone, but till today is 20th, but till today he is in ICU, that means it's a chronic, longer period. So here 3rd Lord is a Virgo. 3rd Lord is a Virgo. Is the 3rd Lord's Lord is a Mercury. He is in Aries, 10th house. Okay. Karmasthana. Because why he is suffering? Because the Karmasthana. See, everybody is in Karmasthana. You will understand. When you go further, you will understand. With whom? With Rahu. And also Mercury is in Ketu Nakshatra, Ashwini Nakshatra. Ashwini is the what I can say is doctor for Devas, Ashwini Devatas. That is why he is getting lot of medical attention. Otherwise, you would have been in the house without proper medical attention, or you would have gone very late there. He is getting a proper medical attention. He is in ICU and other things. Because nowadays ICU, hospital bed itself is not available. Even bed is available, but ICU is not available. ICU is available, oxygen is not available. Lot of things are there. And even ICU, black fungus, white fungus, so many scary things are coming. So, 3rd Lord is afflicted because with Rahu is there, it is in a Ketu Nakshatra is there. Okay. Now, and Mercury is also 12th Lord. That is also very, very important point. Why the hospitalization? 12th Lord. And now we will see 4th house. Here, 4th house is the Libra. This is the Aries sign. See, always some Aries sign is getting connected. Last horoscope also, we got the Aries sign. Here also Aries sign is coming. See here, beautiful thing you see. Red, I told you the natal planets. 4th house is the Aries sign. Ketu is there. Ketu is always a hurdles, stopping things. You will come as a block. So Ketu is coming as a block, and is in a Vishaka Nakshatra, 6th Lord Nakshatra. So Ketu is blocking the air passage. That is why he is in ICU and getting oxygen. Air passage is because lungs is affected. That is why he is in because the 4th house is connected to lungs. Already we have discussed about it. Because 4th house is affected by Ketu, Rahu Ketu. That is why he has got the problem in lungs. That is why he went to the ICU. Now, again, where is that 4th Lord? That we have to see. 4th Lord is in the 9th house. Very good. That is why he is getting a proper treatment. 9th house is getting he is lucky enough to get the proper treatment. So, 9th house is the timely medication. That is also he is getting. So Venus is in 4th Lord, Venus is in the 9th house. Again we have to see. Venus is the Bhadagadipati for the Charalagna. He is a Bhadagadipati and he is in a Kalapurusha's 12th house, hospitalization. Because of the lungs problem, he has been hospitalized. Okay. He is in which nakshatra? He is in which nakshatra? He is actually in Revati nakshatra. Revati is, already we had told you, for this lagna, 3rd and 12th lord. That means that throat area and windpipe area and hospitalization, 4th lord actually lungs area. Then here 6th lord and 8th lord connection is coming. 6th lord and 8th lord connection is coming. Saturn is aspecting that. Saturn is the 8th lord for this lagna and 6th lord and 8th lord connection is coming. And Saturn actually is in Vishakha nakshatra, 6th lord nakshatra. So a lot of connection is there. That is why that severity is also there. Okay. See, main problem is that there also 8th connection has come. But there, the problem is Lagna Lord is only afflicted to some extent. Here, Lagna Lord has gone to 8th house and is in a Purubhadra nakshatra, 6th Lord nakshatra. That is a problem. Then actually, here, 4th house, not only Ketu is sitting here, and Ketu is also aspecting the moon. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th aspect, Ketu is aspecting the moon. That is also one of the main factor. See here, the Lagna Lord is severely affected and Lagna also is severely affected because Jupiter, 6th house Lord is seeing here. That is a problem. Okay, then we will see. Now we will come to transit. Transit Jupiter is with the moon. That means 6th Lord Jupiter, we have seen 6th Lord is the Jupiter in natal chart. So here Jupiter as a 6th Lord is touching the moon again. And 6th Lord touching the moon and Saturn is touching in transit, is touching in the 6th Lord. Saturn 8th Lord sit in 6th Lord is sitting in a 7th house. There both are in Shravana nakshatra. That is a very, very, very beautiful but dangerous thing. Shravana nakshatra, we know moon nakshatra. It is 6th Lord in a transit, 8th house is coming and sitting on exact point. And important is, we already talked about the sun, no? Sun, Mars and Rahu combination, we have talked about it. That's a quick way of seeing the corona. Here also, whether we will see whether it is coming or not. See, Sun, Rahu, in one place, Sun, the transit Sun is on Sun Rahu. Here, Mars is there and transit Rahu is on Mars. And the exact nakshatra, Mars in Rohini nakshatra, Rahu is also in Rohini nakshatra. See how beautifully this working. See, 37th year, this kind of arrangement is coming to say something wrong. Because when we see 37th year, okay, Lagna, don't relax. Because Lagna Lord has gone to 8th house. Immediately, something is going to happen. Some bad thing is going to happen. So, some kind of very, very important thing is going to happen. Immediately, you have to see, you have to watch out all these things, all this exercise. Now, we will see. whether all these findings are supported by Dasha Bhukti, that is very, very important. If Dasha Bhukti doesn't come into contact with all these things, all these exercises are useless. So now Mercury, Rahu, Venus, Moon on 5-5. When he has gone to ICU, 5-5, that is 5-5 is there. Okay. That Mercury, who is Mercury, already we have seen, is a third lord and 12th lord. Rahu, already we have seen, is with Mercury, third lord and 12th lord. Along with that, Rahu is there. In Rahu, another thing is in a Bharani Nakshatra, is in a 4th lord Nakshatra and Bhadagadipati Nakshatra. Okay. And Venus, 4th lord, in Revati Nakshatra, 4th lord is also coming. Now, when he went to ICU, Moon was running. Mercury, Rahu, Venus, Moon is running. Moon, who is Moon? Lagnadipati is in a 8th house. Is in a Lagna, is indicating Lagnadipati is going to be in a serious condition on account of some diseases, Purva Bhadrapada, this is Jupiter Nakshatra, and on account of this, and Jupiter is also conducting here. Jupiter is also be here, and transit Jupiter is also here, and natal Ketu is also aspecting. So all these things give a ding 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 bell, and Rahu is also aspecting the 6th lord. Transit Rahu is also aspecting the 6th lord, natal Rahu. So all these things are clearly telling this gentleman got the COVID, that is some throat area problem, some lungs area problem. He is very in a severe condition. He has been hospitalized. So all these things very nicely this chart is indicating. So now we'll go to the last page. Please share this. See, I am sharing my knowledge to you. The same way, you also share this knowledge to everybody. Ask your friends to subscribe. That is the Guru Dakshana you are paying to me. When you ask your friends to subscribe, when I see the subscribe persons are more, then I feel, oh, my video is reaching so many people, so my knowledge is being shared with so many people. It's a kind of motivation for me. With this, I am ending this video. Thank you very much for your kind support. Thank you again. We'll see in the next video.